Bluebells are a sign of spring. They come out before the leaves emerge on the trees, so the plant is able to take full advantage of the sunshine before they get overshadowed by the forest above them. Riverbend Park is located on the Potomac River. It's a spectacular little piece of wilderness that's right next to Washington, and it's a gorgeous place to escape to for a day. We have 12 miles of hiking trails. Our most popular trail is the Potomac Heritage Trail, and that's actually the one that the Bluebells are located along. As walking the trails in spring when the Bluebells are out, it is truly magical. The entire forest floor is just covered in bluebells. It's one of the most beautiful sights we see all year long. The program we offer called Bluebells and Bloodroots, it's a walk through the floodplain during the peak of the wildflower season. Here at Riverbend we see, of course, the bluebells are the big star attraction, but we also have trillium, we have bloodroot, we have cutleaf toothwort. We have all kinds of really spectacular flowers. People can come out to the park 7 days a week, so they can show up anytime. We open the gates at 7 o'clock in the morning, and we close at sunset each night. If you want to learn more about the park, you can get on the FCPA website. Riverbend does have its own link on there that they can click on. You can also call the visitor center. That's a wonderful thing to do because we can give people updates as to exactly when the bluebells are blooming and fill in any additional information or questions they may have.